Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to walk through a super useful feature, how to batch create components in EasyEDA Pro. If you have a large number of components to add, creating them one by one can be really time consuming. This feature lets you handle everything in one go. So how does it work? EasyEDA Pro allows you to batch create components using an Excel file. Basically, you prepare all your component data in a spreadsheet, import it, and the system will automatically handle things like symbol linking and library setup. Now, where do you find this feature? Go to the top menu, File, New Component. Once the new component window is open, look at the bottom left corner and click the New in Batch button. This will open the batch creation window. First step, click Export Template. To download the official Excel template. This template is important. You need to follow its format exactly. Open it in Excel, and you'll see fields like device, symbol, footprint, 3D model, category, and some BOM-related parameters. Just fill in these fields based on your component data. A few things to keep in mind: if your symbol or footprint doesn't exist yet, it's usually better to create them first and then reference them in the sheet. Also, make sure your naming follows proper conventions. Avoid special characters or the import might fail. And one more tip, it's recommended to import no more than 2,000 components at a time. Otherwise, performance may drop or the import could fail. For a quick demo, let's just enter a simple name in the device column. Once your spreadsheet is ready, go back to EasyEDA and select your Excel file in the Batch Import window. You also notice two very useful options here. First one, create doesn't exist symbol and footprint automatically. If you enable this, the system will automatically create my missing symbols or footprints during import. So for new components, like the one we just added, this can save you a lot of time. Just keep in mind, these auto-generated items are usually pretty basic, so you may still want to refine the footprint or add proper 3D model afterward. Second option, automatically update existing device with the same name. If a component with the same name already exists in your library, this option will update it instead of creating a duplicate. This is great for batch updates like tweaking parameters or changing footprints, but be careful. This will overwrite existing data, so make sure everything is correct before importing. Quick recap of these two options. First, auto-create missing resources. Second, update existing component in bulk. Once everything is set, click Confirm. The system will then generate all components based on your Excel file. Compared to manual creation, this is much faster, especially useful when building a library from scratch or managing components in your team. After the import, you can check the result in the log or search for your new components in the library and edit them if needed. To wire it up, the whole process is just 3 steps. Export template, file, fill in Excel. Import and generate components. Once you get the hang of it, this will seriously boost your efficiency. And if you want to learn more about component library management or team workflows, stay tuned.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.